I'd like to thank the brand for sending me these nap guards. While I don't have babies in the home, sometimes it's very annoying that my camera goes off, especially if I'm going to have company and it's going off and going off. It's going off right now because I'm using it inside. And I have cameras all around my property. And so if we are going to have some company or people coming over, I think it's going to be a great idea that I will have these attached to my camera and be able to sort of hide the sensor. So that way there, it doesn't go off all the time and waste the battery. And so now that I have this on, my phone was going crazy with the, motion, and now it's not. So it comes with everything that you need. Let's take these out. So it comes with everything that you need to install. You've got the little clip and some Velcro that you can attach to that. And then this little sticky part. It comes with the directions on how to install. And it comes with some funny stickers too that if you want to use it on the blank one, I think that those are some fun options if you have a sense of humor and want to use that. So what you're going to do is you follow the directions. I love how they have QR codes so that you can follow an installation video. So I think that's really great. And you can change out the signs. You just put it on this part right here, and the signs easily change out. They are made of plastic, so you won't have any metal to worry about in any kind of weather. So no soliciting, do not disturb, and then you can just flip it up when not in use, or put it back. And like I said, there are the blank ones to use with some of the funnier signs if you wanted to. I'm napping, go away. That one's pretty funny. So if you're looking for some little signs to go on your Ring camera or your Blink or your Nest or whatever brand you have, it mixes and matches with all the brands, then these would be a great one to try.